Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, hello!
Hello.
I am reviewing the list of the stores where protein powder can be found in Chicago.
Oh, why?
Because we need some for the store today.
Okay.
Um,
Is
well-
protein powder a typical Montenegrin food?
No. But thanks for stepping into the topic of the episode 3
Which is in Chicago. We're in Chicago.
Yes, of the Joanne and Neman show.
Yes, the Joanne and Neman show. Welcome.
Welcome.
So we're in Chicago today because I came to Chicago to visit with my family, to hang out with Neman, to celebrate Neman's husband Julian's birthday, and Kale.
My puppy Kale's birthday too.
But anyway, it was the best party I've ever been to. I honestly will never go to a party now unless I'm guaranteed at least 10 dogs in attendance.
It's a really, there should be like a rider list. Is that what it's called? Rider?
Yeah, an addendum to any appearance.
Exactly, like have a 10.
RSVP addendum.
But anyway, I want to say you lived in Chicago. This is where we met. You left to LA. I started coming to LA because of the restaurant. We came with idea to shoot the Joanne and Neman show. The restaurant got shut down. We are now back to Chicago. But I am often going to California, so do not worry. Nothing will stand in the way of the Joanne and Neman show.
Yes.
But the super exciting part is our today's topic.
Yes, so for today's episode, what are we doing?
We are trying the vegan snacks that we ate in the childhood.
Yeah,
Did you eat those in the childhood? But I'm gonna try the ones I've never tried that are from Korea.
Yes.
We're gonna get in the Korean store.
Grocery store. And then we're also going to go to a Balkan grocery store so that Neman can pick up some Montenegrin snacks, things that you ate when you were little.
Yeah, and we're not aware that those are vegan, which
Yes.
is amazing. So
Yes.
I'm excited for you to try.
I know, I'm really excited. I've never been to a Balkan grocery store in my life. The only Balkan food I've ever had is because of Neman.
Ivar, yeah. Well, I'm so excited, I cannot wait, so let's go.
Okay,
let's do
let's
it.
go.
Woo!
We're at Chu Market. This is my favorite Korean market in Chicago. You can find a video where I did a tour of this market on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
So we'll eat these. This is always good.
Okay, cool.
And okay, so we're gonna get these.
This looks like just like some,
You would think so, but it probably has butter and eggs.
really?
Yes. This is one of my family's favorite snacks.
Is it vegan?
Yes. My mom is addicted to these. If you have a bag of these in her vicinity, they will be gone. And this is my favorite snack. Again, if you have this in my vicinity, I will be eating all of them. I love this.
Cool.
Okay, I think this is vegan. So this is not a snack from my childhood, but it looks very intriguing. Sweet potato.
Ooh.
Let's try this one.
And it's vegan?
Yeah.
Ooh, well, I'm the most excited about this now.
Okay, so I think we did pretty good.
We do have so many. Look at this, guys. This is what we shopped so far. Hi. How are you? Let's go. Well, we are approaching to this market that is called Belgrade.
I'm so
Belgrade,
excited.
it's translated to Belgrade, okay, which is the capital of Serbia. So even though I'm not from Serbia, we were part of Yugoslavia together, right? And then we were falling apart, we stayed to be Serbia and Montenegro. So we pretty much ate all the same food, right? This is their market. Okay, hello. How are you doing? This company rebranded, okay, but when I was a kid, it was called Plasma, okay, now it's called Lane. So this is vegan, so this is the first thing that we are going to grab. What is so cool about people from the Balkans, they're fasting. While they're fasting, they're basically vegan. They're making these vegan snacks. So we're gonna go on another side. So this was my favorite snack when I was a kid, okay? And it's called smoky. Can you say smoky?
Smoky.
That sounds good. Okay, so this is a smoky. I already for a fact know that it's vegan, but I didn't have it in a really long time. I wanna make sure that they didn't change anything in making it. They didn't.
Okay.
So we're gonna grab a couple smokies, and maybe we can try this štapići. What about napolitanke? Those could easily be. Oh, okay, this is vegan.
Does this orange one, can I get the orange one?
Ooh. This is really important. It says biljna mas, which means that it's a vegetable margarine.
Okay, let's go.
Do we have enough smoky? That is the most important part for
Yeah, I
me.
think we
I'm
have
so excited
so much.
about it.
Because remember, we also have the Korean snacks.
I know.
How
but
many
maybe I can
snacks are we
take
gonna
some
eat?
home.
I can't eat
Ooh,
that.
what about biscotte? Are those vegan?
No, there's literally a picture of an egg on the front.
Where? Oh. Okay. Never mind.
What about these?
Which,
Are these
oh,
vegan?
this is vegan. And this is so traditional for us. Like my
excited.
mom used to make me an apple pie just like that.
I'm so glad I asked.
I know.
Which one was the flavor that you got the most?
I think apple one. Ooh, the different one, blueberry. Very
There we
good.
go.
Good for the blood.
Very good.
Thank you. Hvala puno.
Yes!
So excited. We're back.
We're back. I mean,
Woo!
look at all of this amazing food. Where do you want to start?
I have no idea.
I know what I want to start with. I want to start with this. This is
So it's just basically like a kiddie juice that like would pack it. There's a kid version that our moms would pack into our lunch for the school when like we were really young, and it is called Fructal. That's the company that makes it.
that is so good.
The sound that you're making while drinking it was good. What I'm most excited about is a sweet potato.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
I guess they're like little sweet potato
Here we go.
fries.
They're sweeter than I expected. Crunchy.
Oh, let's try this one.
You also haven't tried it.
I've never tried this. Tteokbokki is one of the most popular Korean foods ever, and they made a snack out of it. So it looks like Cheetos, only tteokbokki flavored.
It's sweet too.
Does not taste like tteokbokki. Okay, let's try one of your snacks.
My favorite. Okay, I'm just really excited about this. It's called Smoky.
Okay, so it tastes like, kind of like if a cheese puff were to meet a peanut. That's what this tastes like.
I missed it so much. Do you know it's been years since I had this? Like I probably had it last time we were in Montenegro.
I could
Like-
see being addicted to this. Okay, let's try these. So this is a white potato snack.
Let's see. I always grab a lot. I don't know why.
Is that how you eat French fries too?
You're not. You got one?
I one by one.
Weirdo.
To make it last longer.
I know. You know, but
You're
that-
gonna be done with your fries in 5 seconds like that.
So that's why now I've been ordering more. So like I can be doing that. This is so far my favorite.
So it's kind of like sweet and sour onion potato chips. Only think of it more as like almost like a cracker with that flavor profile. Let's stay on the potato theme. We're gonna try these potato chips that we got from the Balkan grocery store. What is this? Tell us about this, Neman.
So they're rebranded now, but they're from the same brand that is called Takova, that is exactly from the Balkan. So I know they've been rebranding a lot, so I don't recognize this, but I recognize the people who are making it. They're just regular chips, but they've been delicious my whole life, so I really hope that that's what the...
They do not taste the same as like the type of potato chips that I've had here in the United States.
I think what they are also thinner.
They definitely have more flavor. I'm not sure what this flavor is. There's definitely a unique flavor to these. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Is this a savory snack?
Uh-huh. That's called shtapici. It's also like a kind of peanut with this.
So there's literally peanut butter inside of this.
Inside of this stick.
This would be really great with like an espresso. These are my mother's favorite snacks, okay?
Okay.
She is addicted to these. These are called 땅콩 강정. 땅콩 means peanut. Think of like Rice Krispie snacks with peanuts inside of them, okay? I want to see what you think first.
Okay. I'm gonna go with the one this time,
Yeah.
okay? That ingredient. I like it.
Here's the thing with these. When I first had these, I was like, I don't really get it. I don't know why she's addicted to this. But then I found myself like not able to stop eating them. Very addictive. Very, very addictive.
I want you to try. This used to be called plasma. I really don't know why they changed the name. Soaking it in the milk was like the best.
Speaking of milk, somebody is here. Hello. We've got our drinks.
May I come in?
Yes, please. Your latte has arrived, sir.
Ooh, it looks so good.
I love dipping things in my coffee. Try these. These are gochung yugwa. This is a Korean rice snack.
I'm just gonna try it like this.
So good. Oh, I want to try these yellow.
Napolitanke, okay?
Napolitanke.
And we're gonna rip those. Those are like orange and lemon combination,
I
as you
love
saw in the
that
store.
combination.
Ooh, and those are the small ones. They have like all sizes too.
I like small ones. That way you don't have to commit to it.
Oh, okay. You need to start chewing before you feel lemon and orange.
This is so good. It's like a dreamsicle sandwiched between these light wafers. Oh, this is so good. Let's try some of these pies. Are they like pies?
Yes.
Apple pie and
cherry.
cherry pie. Ooh, okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Let's switch the plate around. Like you can feel it's homemade and it's mom's.
This is so good.
And I'm gonna have more because
Okay, let's try our baklava.
every Balkan family makes baklavas.
Are there like different variations?
Oh yeah, of course, a billion. A lot of times they put a honey in it, which gives an extra sweetness. But this one does not have honey, so maybe that's why it's
This is
not
probably the least sweet baklava that I've ever had, and I honestly don't usually get baklava because I find it way too sweet. It's just way too sweet.
You're
But
right.
this one is perfect. It's really, really good.
Rice cakes!
Oh, rice cake time. Okay. This is a very famous rice cake company in Chicago. This also, 80 million, they make the best kimchi ever. And they also make a phenomenal vegan kimchi. So if you're in Chicago, you can find their kimchi. I've never seen it outside of Chicago. I've been eating this brand of tteok and kimchi since I was a little girl. Songpyeon is what you eat on Lunar New Year's. They are not easy to make because I tried making them and they were so bad I could not eat them.
Do they taste differently based on a color? Okay, I'm gonna go for a pink because why not?
Oh, this is so good.
They have things inside.
Uh-huh. So it's usually filled with like a sweet kind of something with sesame seeds.
Okay, I take the back what I said was my favorite. This is my favorite now.
Songpyeon is really, really good.
I like it a lot. But isn't this amazing about Chicago? That's why I told you this episode needs to be done in Chicago.
Chicago.
I don't know any other cities in America that I would be able to find these things, but in Chicago.
Well, it's really cool because we were able to go to a Balkan grocery store and a Korean grocery store in one visit. It's really good. Oh, I know you wanted to try this one.
Which one, again, which one's your favorite color-wise?
This one.
The,
Yeah, my mom likes the black ones.
I love
really like the, yeah. Oh, this one actually has something in it.
Oh my God, the inside is delicious.
Now, this one has red bean paste inside of it. So it's called Gyeongdan.
It's also that 80 million.
That's the same company.
It's the same brand. Yeah.
I'm so full.
And everything was really good. I cannot point one thing that I don't like.
Yes,
so.
I agree.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Love you.
Subscribe,
And
love.
see you in episode 4.
Bye.
Bye.